Menninkäisentie 3 Puolivälinkangas. Actually 3 being the Puolivälinkangas soul staircase A. There are 2 buildings in address 3. 30 years, 7 meters, D98 868 Fifth floor. Unfortunately, elevator staircase C is locked up. Actually, broken, but I got all their 7 elevators filmed, and these are low hydraulic and have rare Kone classic commander resistant fixtures. These are amazing. And they still kept the matter with these fixtures. Inspected by Kiva inspector, maintained by Kone, and the ventilation works fine when the elevator is going up. 5th floor. I think the opposite building is locked up, but I will check.